once again. This is Sensei of Balay City Central School, Balay City. Our topic for today is about the GCF, or the greatest common factor. Are you ready, guys? Hold on and watch for the PowerPoint presentation. The GCF, or the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor is the largest factor that two numbers share. Two or more numbers. Let's find the GCF of 12 and 42. First, we need to make a list of factor for each number. Say for example, 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, 4 times 3, but 4 times 3 is just the same with 3 times 4. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, what are the factors of 42? 1 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 14. Is 42 divisible by 4? As what we have learned from our previous lesson about divisibility, for the divisibility rule 42 is not divisible by 4. 5. 42 does not end with 0 or 5. Therefore, 42 is not divisible by 5. 6 times 7. 7 times 6. But 7 times 6 is just the same with 6 times 7. So the factors of 42, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. Now, what are the numbers that is common between the two numbers 12 and 42? The common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. It means that these factors can be found both in factors of 12 and factors of 42. So, 1, 2, 3, 6. What is the greatest common factor? So, the greatest common factor is 6. Okay? Now, let's try again another example. What is the GCF of 18 and 27? 18 is 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Is 18 divisible by 4? Not. 5? Not. 6 times 3? But 6 times 3 is just the same with 3 times 6. Factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. How about 27? 1 times 27? 27 does not end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Therefore, it is not divisible by 2. 3 times 9? Again, 27 is not divisible by 4. And by 5. How about 6? No, it's not divisible by 6. 7? Not divisible. 8? Again, 27 is not divisible by 8. And it's 9 times 3. But 9 times 3 is just the same with 3 times 9. Therefore, the factors of 27, 1, 3, 9, and 27. Now, what factors are common between 18 and 27? It's 1, 3, and 9. And the greatest common factor is 9. Another example, 48 and 60. So the factors of 48, 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, 6 times 8. The factors of 60, 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, 6 times 10. So the factors of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. And the factors of 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. Now, what factors are common between the two numbers? Common factors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And the greatest common factor is 12. Okay. So, we can do finding the greatest common factor of a number by using the prime factorization. And prime factorization is just the same with factor 3, our previous topic. So, find the prime factorization of each number. Identify the common factors and multiply them. Example, greatest common factor of 27 and 36. 27 is 3 times 9. 3 is prime. It will not grow any other branch because it is already prime. 9 is 3 times 3. Therefore, the factors of 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. How about 36? 2 times 18. 2 is prime. And 18 is 2 times 9. Again, 2 is prime. And 9 is 3 times 3. So, it's already a prime number. So, the factors of 36, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Both prime factorization have 3 times 3 in common. So, we have here 3 times 3 in 36, and we have 3 times 3 in 27. Therefore, the common factor is 3 times 3. And the greatest common factor is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Another example, find the GCF of 42 and 60. Write again the prime factorization of each number. So 42 is 2 times 3 times 7. If we're going to check, 7 times 3 is 21, times 2 is 42. And 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60. So, based on that answers, what is the common factor of 42 and 60? Or what prime factors do the numbers have in common? So we have common 2 and 2, then 3 and 3. So multiply those numbers. So the greatest common factor is 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 is the largest number that can go into 42 and 60. Let's try. What is the GCF of 48 and 64? Thank you. Now, how do you find it? Did you understand on how to look for the greatest common factor? I hope so. That's all. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Math Magic with Sensei. Please subscribe so that you can watch some videos I'm going to teach. That's all. Bye bye.